Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Abhay. Good morning, Rahul. So, good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Till now, 15 students joined this class. Now 16. So now let's start today's class. Today we will continue exercise 3.6 from question number first and point number 6. Solving the pair of linear equation by reducing them in the linear form. So let's start.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. First question and 6 point. 6x plus 3y is equal to 6. First and second equation, 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Question number second. First, anybody reply? Are they present in linear form? Are these equations are present in linear form or not? Please reply. Are these equations in linear form or not? Anybody? Not. Pratham, they are not present in linear form because in the linear form the degree of equation should be 1, but here degree 1 plus 1 2, so they are not present in linear form. First we have to be convert. Okay, how can we convert? See, divide both equations by xy. Now we divide both equations by xy. So from first we will divide equation 1 yxy 6x plus 3y divided by xy is equal to 6xy divided by xy. Okay, now separate these two terms, 6x plus 3y. We can write 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy. Okay, it is the opposite of addition of fraction. जब भी हम एडिशन को फ्रैक्शंस को ऐड करते हैं तो जो सेम डिनोमिनेटर होते हैं हम उन्हें इस टाइप से ऐड करते हैं, तो इसका रिवर्स है, ये हमने सेपरेट किया है. एंड हियर xy cancel, remaining 6 only. Now here x से x cancel and y से y cancel, so remaining 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equal to 6. Equation number 3rd. Same, we will also divide equation number 2y xy, okay, from 2. So I divide by directly, okay, 2x divided by xy, x cancel, remaining 2 upon y plus next 4y, y से y cancel, 4 upon x is equal to xy cancel, only 5 is remaining. Equation number 4th. So now we converted these equations in a linear form. Now we have to be solved. Okay, Vijayalakshmi, stop your presenting. Now select the variable which we have to be removed, which is easy. I think y, the coefficient of y we can equalize simply in one step. So we will remove variables y. Okay, so what is the coefficient of y in second equation? 2. In first equation 6. Sorry, in third equation 6. So we will multiply equation number 4 by 3. Multiply equation 4 by 3. मल्टीप्लाई करिए, x को हम फर्स्ट में लिख लेते हैं. So 3 4 जा 12 upon x plus 3 2 जा 6 upon y plus 3 5 जा 15. Okay, now subtract the equation number 3rd from this equation. Okay, so write this equation number 3rd below this equation. 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equal to 6. We are subtracting, so change the sign, minus minus minus. Okay, subtract करिए. 12 minus 3 9yx. Okay, now plus 6y and minus 6 upon y cancel, and 15 minus 6 9. So 9 से 9 cancel, x is equal to 1. We got the answer, one variable. Now I will check this is correct or not. Okay, this is correct. Now place the value of this equation in any one of the equations. तो किस में पुट करेंगे हम? इक्वेशन फर्स्ट आई थिंक इजी रहेगा. फ्रॉम फर्स्ट में पुट करते हैं. फ्रॉम फर्स्ट 6x, sorry, 6 into 1 6 plus 3y is equal to 6 into y. 6 minus 3y, 3y is equal to 6, so y is equal to 2. So the answer is of both variables respectively 1 and 2. Please ask your doubt regarding this question. Priyanka, you wrote a is equal to 1 by 2. किसका वैल्यू है ये? I think a is not the variable in this point, x and y. No problem. Other students, Please observe the question and ask your doubts. देखिए वैल्यू जैसे मैंने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पुट किया है we can put the value of one variable in any one of the equation. हम वन में पुट कर सकते हैं, टू में पुट कर सकते हैं, थर्ड फोर्थ एनी वन ऑफ द इक्वेशन हमें जो y का वैल्यू है वो सेम मिलेगा. ओके, तो जो हमें इजी है कैलकुलेशन हमें उस इक्वेशन में पुट करना है. हमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है कि हमें सर पुट करना है, किसी में भी कर सकते हैं, बस हमारा कैलकुलेशन इजी हो. Okay, so nobody else. So next continue. The last point for the first question. Point number 8. Okay. One upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3y 4. Next equation, 1 upon 2 bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Anybody let me know how can we convert these equation in linear form? Which term, which variable should be replaced? Please reply. Anybody reply? Anyone? How can we reduce these equation in linear form? हमें किसको किससे रिप्लेस करना है? That is my question. 3x. Okay, listen. First आप देख लीजिए which is common in the both equation of your mic. 3x plus y and 3x plus y common. Same 3x minus y, 3x minus y same. Okay, so we replace 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to p and 3x minus y is equal to q. Question number 3. ओके, हमें समटाइम हम कंफ्यूज जाएंगे सर x प्लस वाई को रिप्लेस करते हैं बट 3 ऑल्सो, सो वी कैन नॉट इग्नोर 3. कंप्लीट 3x प्लस वाई. ओके, नाउ रिप्लेस करिए. हमारा फर्स्ट इक्वेशन कैसा हो जाएगा फिर? p प्लस q इज इक्वल टू 3 अपॉन 4. इक्वेशन नंबर 3. जब भी आप इक्वेशन को चेंज करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, आप एवरी टाइम उसे एक न्यू नंबर दीजिए. ओके, नाउ सेकंड इक्वेशन कैसा हो जाएगा? py2 माइनस qy2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1/8. इक्वेशन नंबर 4 करेक्ट है? ऊपर चेक कर लेता हूँ. ओके, 1/2 माइनस 1/2. So now we converted equations in linear form. Now we need to solve. Okay, क्या करते हैं हम इसे? Multiply equation 3rd. We will remove the variables q. Okay, so we will multiply equation number 3rd y 1/2. After multiplying, the coefficient of q will be equal. मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन नंबर 3rd बाई किससे करना है हमें? प्लस 1/2 एंड मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद हम ऐड करेंगे, ऐड with equation number 4. Okay, first multiply, then we will add. First multiply करेंगे, p by 2 plus q into 1 by 2, q by 2 is equal to 3 by 4 multiply 1 by 2, 3 by 8. now इक्वेशन नंबर 4 को ऐड करेंगे इसके साथ, तो p by 2 सेम कॉपी कर लीजिए, माइनस क्यू बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 by 8. okay, we are adding, so there I need not change the sign. p by 2 plus p by 2, half and half कितना होगा 1, so only p, it is clear. This is 1 by 2 1 by 2 1, and minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cancel. now 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8, 3 minus 1 2, 2 by 8. so simplest form p is equal to 1 by 4. यहाँ तक करेक्ट है? ओके, अब p को हमने किससे रिप्लेस, p के से हमने किसको रिप्लेस किया था, उसका ओरिजिनल वैल्यू नोट करते हैं हम, p is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 upon 4. चेंज कर लीजिए, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, 3x plus y is equal to 4. इक्वेशन नंबर व्हाट इज द 5. नाउ हमें p का वैल्यू मिल गया, अब हमें फाइंड करना है q का वैल्यू. ओके, तो p का वैल्यू हम किस में पुट करेंगे, किस में इजी रहेगा, आई थिंक थर्ड इजी रहेगा. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर थर्ड, p वैल्यू ऑफ p 1 by 4 plus q is equal to 3 by 4. we have to find the value of q, so transport 1 by 4 to the RHS, 3 minus 1 2 by 4, simplest form 1 by 2, so value of q 1 by 2. okay, हमने q से किसको रिप्लेस किया था, राइट द ओरिजिनल नंबर्स, 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. by cross multiply, 3x minus y is equal to 2. that is equation number 6. okay, so finally we got the equations in linear form which contains x and y variable, equation number 6 and 5. तो अब हमें फाइनली अब किससे सॉल्व करना है, 5 and 6 इक्वेशन को टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x and y. ओके, सिंपल वे में हम सॉल्व करते हैं, दिस इज 3x plus y and this is 3x minus y. we are seeing that the coefficient of y already equal. good morning प्रिया, the coefficient of y already equal, तो हम सिंपल ऐड कर देते हैं, add equation number 5 and 6. add equation 5 and 6. what is the fifth equation, 3x plus y is equal to 4, and sixth equation, this is 3x minus y is equal to 2. now we are adding, so need not change the sign, y से y cancel, 3 plus 3x 6x is equal to 4 plus 2 6, so x is equal to 6 by 6 cancel, so x is equal to 1. we got the value of x. now to get the value of y, place the value of x in any one of the equation. so we will place the value of x in fifth equation, from equation number 5. what is the equation, 3x plus y, 3x, x का वैल्यू 1 plus y is equal to 4, 3 into 1 3 plus y is equal to 4, so y is equal to 4 minus 3 1. so the value of x and y respectively we got 1 and 1. Okay, good. Solution also solve the point. So please observe this question and ask your doubt.
Sir, please repeat it once again, sir.
Yeah, why not? Please listen once again carefully. This is the original question. Okay. In these equation in present, they are not present in linear form. So first thing, we have to be converted in linear form. So we replace the 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to p, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to q. We replace by p and q. Then we got new equations. P plus q is equal to 3 by 4, and p by 2 minus q by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now we have to be solved by any one of the method. Here we solve by elimination. So we multiply equation number 3 by 1 by 2 and add with the equation number 4. So fine, we got p is equal to value 1 by 4. Okay, what is the original value of p? 1 upon 3x plus y. By cross multiply, we got 3x plus y is equal to 4. Equation number 5. Now, to find the value of q, we will put the value of p in equation number 5. Sorry, third. Equation number 3. We put the value of q, then we got q is equal to 1 by 2. Again, what is the original value of q? 1 upon 3x minus y. So by cross multiply, we got one other equation, 3x minus y is equal to 2. So last step, we have to be solve these 5 and 6 equation. So we added both of the equation and got x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So now you have no doubt. The point number 7, I am writing try to solve. You have to try to solve just now. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. And next equation, 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Solutions, please try to solve this point and let me know the answer. Just now, if you have any doubt, you can also ask me. Mute your mic. Good morning, sir. Anybody solve this point, this question? Please reply. Okay. These questions are very lengthy, so this is not possible to solve within a short minutes. Okay, within 5 minutes, this is not possible. Okay, so what should you do? Point number 5 and 7th, you have to be solved as homework. Okay, these are lengthy questions. We have to be solved in very carefully and slowly. So you have to try as homework. Point number 5th and 7th. Okay. So I am going to solve the word problems of this exercise. Question number 2. Point number 1. Last question for today. I think some students reply the correct answer. Pridwal MB, very good. 3 and 2 are the correct answer. Okay, good. Prinka also replied, very good. Now, question number 2.1. What problems? So please listen. I am seeing that some students अगर बार क्लास छोड़ रहे हैं, बार ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. Please don't do this. Okay. First problem. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the water current. First of try to understand the meaning of downstream and upstream. Okay. रिवर में ऐसे में स्विम करते हैं या जो करते हैं या सिर्फ उसमें एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, जब हम उस वाटर के जो फ्लो है, डायरेक्शन है, हम उसी डायरेक्शन में जाते हैं तो आपने नोटिस किया होगा हमें थोड़ा इजीली होती है उसी डायरेक्शन में स्विम करने में. ओके. तो हम इस मूवमेंट को बोलते हैं डाउन स्ट्रीम. जब हमें उसी डायरेक्शन में हम स्विम करते हैं इजीली होता है डाउन स्ट्रीम. बट जब हम उस डायरेक्शन के अपोजिट मूव करते हैं तो हमें थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आती है, हमारी स्पीड कम हो जाती है. ओके. तो इसे हम बोलते हैं अपस्ट्रीम. अब और क्या डिफरेंस है? डाउन स्ट्रीम में हमारी स्पीड इंक्रीज हो जाती है, जो हमारी ओरिजिनल स्पीड है. क्यों? हमें जो वाटर का डायरेक्शन है, हमारा वाटर वेव का करंट है, फ्लो है, उसका हमें हेल्प मिलती है. बट अपस्ट्रीम में वो हमें प्रॉब्लम करता है, जो वाटर का डायरेक्शन है या फ्लो है, करंट है, तो उसमें हमारी स्पीड कम हो जाती है. ओके. दिस इज द मेन कंसेप्ट. तो हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड द टू स्पीड of Ritu and the speed of current. So let's the speed of rowing in still water be x km per h means kilometer per hour and the speed of current be y kmph. Always we have to be count the speed of rowing in still water. Still water means there is not any movement, there is not any water current. Okay. Still water. Okay. So we know that the distance formula speed is equal to distance by time. Okay. तो first speed of rowing in downstream. Downstream कितना होगा? Both speed will be added. So x plus y kmph and upstream में as I explain subtraction हो जाएगा, difference हो जाएगा. So x minus y kmph. Okay. Now according to question, condition first. What is the first condition? Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. So downstream, what is the speed in downstream? X plus y. Okay. And distance कितना है? 20 km. What is the time? 2. So x plus y is equal to cancel 10. Equation number 1. Second condition, in upstream, then speed x minus y. What is the distance? 4 km. What is the time? 2 hours. So x minus y divide करिए 2. Equation number 2. Okay. So these equation are very easy, you can easily solve. So answer कितना होगा? Yeah, if we will add, then the value of x 6 and value of y 4. Okay. So this is the answer, 6 and 4 km per hour. So please ask your doubt. Regarding this point, the question is very easy, but we have to be remember the property of अप स्ट्रीम एंड डाउन स्ट्रीम. ओके, यहाँ पर हमें मिस्टेक नहीं करना है. एवरीथिंग इजी. Yes, Prasan, you can send me attendance. Okay. Anybody else? Today attendance is very low. Out of 52 students, only 25 or 26 join this class. Anybody else? We are going to end today's class. Okay. Homework question, point number 5th, 7th, and any one word problems. In question number 2, there are 3 word problems. Out of 3, I solved 1. You to try any one word problems. Remaining, we will continue. We will discuss in next class. So once again, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.